This is how you increase your home's resale value. Hey, it's Matt Smith with Matt Smith Real Estate Group. When it comes to selling your home, maximizing your resale value is crucial. So here's some tips that we have found over the years to help you maximize the dollar and get the most for your home. First up, curb appeal. The first impression is everything. You only get one shot at a first impression. You better make it count. Number two, spruce up your landscaping, clean the exterior, add some fresh paint to the front door, and make sure your lawn is mowed and freshly cut. Next up is declutter. A cluttered home can turn off potential buyers. Make sure you get rid of any unnecessary items and even consider renting a storage unit while your home is on the market. A quick tip that I've found helpful is get storage bins. You can even put them under the bed. So have those things that you need while your home is on the market in that storage bin so you have easy access, but also it's easy to store under the bed for your showing. So next, make repairs. What I like to tell sellers is walk through your home like you are a buyer. If you see something that stands out that needs fixed, that you would want fixed if you were purchasing the home, go ahead and fix it. Don't give a buyer a reason not to purchase your home. So go ahead and make those repairs. Another tip is to make sure that you update your kitchens and your bathrooms. To a lot of buyers, these are the most important rooms in the house. Consider updating your fixtures, potentially your cabinets and countertops, to give your home a more modern and fresh look. Now let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for a home. Make sure you choose neutral colors to appeal to a wider range of buyers. Many buyers are looking for energy efficient homes. Consider adding insulation, upgrading your windows, installing a smart thermostat to make your home more energy efficient. By following these tips, you are sure to increase your home's resale value and sell your home for top dollar. One of the free things that we offer here at Matt Smith Real Estate Group is a free home valuation. Not only can we tell you what we think your home will sell for in today's marketplace, but we can also tell you what items maybe you should fix, maybe it's not worth the investment, and help guide you through those repairs, through those upgrades, through that new paint that maybe you're thinking about doing, and help you make that decision to maximize your dollar in your home. In addition to us coming out and seeing your home in person, we also have a free home prep guide. Click the link in the comments for your free copy today.